Welcome back to the channel where we explore the most innovative and accessible ways to hit the open road and embrace the nomadic lifestyle without breaking the bank. In a world where the price of massive motorhomes and luxury RVs has skyrocketed into the six-figure territory, a new hero has emerged in the world of micromobility and outdoor living. Today we are looking at a travel trailer that is being described as tiny, cheap, and quite frankly, delicious in its design and execution. If you have been dreaming of escaping the city but thought you needed a massive truck and a second mortgage to do it, this little powerhouse is here to change your mind. It is a masterclass in how much utility you can pack into a small footprint, proving that you do not need to sacrifice comfort or style to maintain a budget-friendly travel setup. The current automotive landscape is shifting towards efficiency, and the world of camping is following suit. As more people move towards smaller, fuel-efficient vehicles and electric cars, the demand for lightweight trailers has exploded. This specific model, which has been making waves across the global market, tackles the problem of weight with surgical precision. Weighing in at a fraction of a traditional caravan, it can be towed by almost anything with a hitch, from a compact hatchback to a mid-size sedan or a small crossover. This opens up the world of camping to an entirely new demographic of travelers who previously felt sidelined by the massive towing requirements of traditional rigs. It glides through the air with an aerodynamic profile that minimizes drag, ensuring that your fuel consumption or battery range stays intact while you head toward the horizon. Stepping inside or exploring the exterior features of this trailer reveals why it is being called delicious. The design language is modern, clean, and surprisingly premium for its price point. Every square inch has been optimized to serve multiple purposes. The main living area is a marvel of transformation, where a cozy dinette can quickly convert into a comfortable sleeping space for two. Unlike many budget trailers that feel cramped and dark, this model utilizes large windows and strategically placed lighting to create an airy, open atmosphere. It doesn't just feel like a box you sleep in, it feels like a high-tech cabin that just happens to be on wheels.
The materials used throughout the interior are chosen for their durability and weight-saving properties, ensuring that the trailer remains easy to maintain even after a muddy weekend in the mountains. But the real magic of this tiny trailer lies in its feature list. Despite its diminutive size, it is packed with amenities that you would typically expect to find in much larger and more expensive units. Many configurations include a surprisingly functional kitchenette, complete with a sink, a small stove, and dedicated storage for your cooking essentials. This allows you to prepare actual meals on the go, rather than relying on expensive takeout or cold sandwiches. Some versions even manage to squeeze in a compact wet bath, or at least a dedicated space for a portable toilet and an outdoor shower hookup. It is this level of packed utility that makes it stand out in a crowded market. It isn't just a shell, it is a fully integrated living system that supports off-grid adventures for days at a time. Storage is often the biggest headache in a microcamper, but the designers of this model have implemented some truly clever solutions. There are hidden compartments under the seating, overhead cabinets that utilize the vertical space, and exterior lockers for your dirty gear like leveling blocks and hoses. Everything has a place, which is essential when you are living in a confined space. This organization allows you to carry all the essentials for a long trip without the interior feeling cluttered or unmanageable. It is a design philosophy that values the quality of life for the user, recognizing that a well-organized space is the key to a stress-free camping experience. The price point is perhaps the most shocking part of the package. In an era where even a basic used car can cost a fortune, this brand new travel trailer is positioned at a price that makes it accessible to young families, digital nomads, and retirees alike. It offers a low-cost entry into the world of overlanding and road tripping, allowing owners to spend their money on the actual experiences and fuel rather than just the monthly payments on a massive rig. It represents a shift back to the basics of camping, where the goal is to get outside and enjoy nature, but with the added security and comfort of a hard-sided shelter and a real bed. Furthermore, the versatility of this trailer cannot be overstated.
It is as much at home in a high-end RV resort as it is parked by a remote lake at the end of a Forest Service road. Because it is so small and maneuverable, you can take it into spots that would be impossible for a 25-foot trailer to navigate. This agility is a huge advantage for those who enjoy spontaneous travel and want the freedom to turn around on a narrow road or fit into a standard parking space at a trailhead. It encourages exploration and takes the stress out of towing, making the journey just as enjoyable as the destination. As we look toward the future of travel, it is clear that trailers like this one will play a massive role. They reflect a growing desire for simplicity, sustainability, and financial freedom. By choosing a smaller, more efficient trailer, you are making a conscious decision to reduce your environmental impact while still enjoying the wonders of the great outdoors. It is a win-win situation for the consumer and the environment. This tiny, cheap, and packed trailer isn't just a novelty, it is a serious contender for the title of the best value in the RV world today. It challenges the industry to think differently about what a traveler actually needs and proves that great things really do come in small, affordable packages. In conclusion, if you have been waiting for the right moment to start your adventure, this might be the sign you have been looking for. This trailer offers everything you need to live comfortably on the road without the baggage of a massive vehicle or a massive debt. It is stylish, functional, and incredibly easy to live with. Whether you are planning a weekend getaway or a cross-country tour, it stands ready to be your home away from home. Thank you for joining us as we explored this remarkable microcamper. It is a testament to smart engineering and the enduring spirit of adventure. We look forward to seeing where these little trailers show up next, and we hope to see you out there on the road.